is Matt Mosier with Remax Parry Sound Muskoka, and today I'm heading over to a new listing to do a video showing. And a video showing is basically me walking around the property and walking through the home, taking videos as if you're right there with me. So it's a great way for you to get a better feel for the layout, and much better than your standard wide angle lens shots that can be a little misleading sometimes, unfortunately. I apologize for my voice today, a little bit of a cold, and but I'm not dead yet, so it will be a great day, and I have a coffee in hand, so life is good. Let's go take a look. Okay, so I'm at 6 Scaryvore. It's a brand new listing, and we're just going to do a very basic walkthrough as if you were here seeing the property for the first time. So first I'll take a look over at the garage. So you can see it's a double garage. Lots of height on those doors. And in the back you can see the propane tank. We'll take a quick peek inside the garage. As garages should be, has lots of stuff in it, but you can see there's 2 full spaces for your vehicles and lots of storage. Okay, and coming from the garage, you can go right into the house, or over to the right there's a path along the right side of the house to a back entrance. But we're going to go up the front stairs. Nice entryway, it's all covered, and we're going to walk around the deck. And the view from the front is beautiful as well. It's a very nice setup. Large property. And I apologize if my voice sounds a bit funny. I'm fighting the cold and my lips are frozen. It's a little chilly outside. Okay. This is a large side deck. And there's an entrance right off of the side of the house. And again, this entrance is covered as well. So this would be more for a barbecue area perhaps. But you can exit from the side of the house there. So even the view from this back, or the side deck towards the backyard, is very nice. Lots of trees. So I'm walking towards the back of the house. We came along the left side, and you can see there's that large deck we just walked across. We're gonna head to the back of the yard if I don't fall. And this property here, this is all part of this property, and we're going to go up there in a minute. So we have a nice little back deck as well, with an entrance off the laundry room. And again, another covered area, great for rain, or barbecuing, or just sitting out enjoying a fire. And from this back deck you can see up to the, if you follow those tracks, there's a nice little treehouse. We'll go up and take a look now. So I'm back at that little treehouse. Be a great area for kids to play. Looking back at the house, you can see a little bit of the size of the property. And another back view of the house and garage. One of the many nice things about this location is the neighborhood. It's a great neighborhood. Most of the properties are a good size, lots of privacy. So I'm at the back of the house and just walking along the side. Takes us right to the garage and the front entrance again. And now it's time to go inside. Lots of room, put shoes, and they span to the left. Place to put your coats. And it's a beautiful view. As soon as you walk in, you have access to a living area to our left. It's a beautiful aquarium and the kitchen. So walking straight through, we have the old looking plank floors. There's a little kitchen nook here, just off the kitchen. Great for kids, or if you don't feel like being more formal. Open concept kitchen. I love the layout here, so you can be preparing food or snacks and you have full view into the living room. So if you're entertaining or have kids, it's a great setup. The kitchen, so you can walk straight through on either side of the island, and we're looking straight through to the entry to the foyer. So looking over to the living area. So it's a sunken living room, lots of height, beautiful exposed distressed beams. It's a propane fireplace. This room's great. It has a very comfortable cottagey feel to it. And straight off the living room, we have a little side deck. This would be great for those summer or fall evenings if you feel like having a fire outside. Turning to the left, we have a very large laundry room with a wine fridge, sink, lots of storage, and a stackable washer and dryer. And plenty of storage here as well. Walkout off of the laundry room as well. And this deck you see down there, that connects straight to the side patio we saw off the living room. So lots of access to the outside. We enter back into the kitchen, and I'm going to turn right. So here we have a bit of a transition area where we can go upstairs and go straight into the secondary living room, the office, master bedroom, or the full bathroom. So beautiful tile work here, strange guy in the mirror, nice modern sink, and we have a nice shower and bathtub as well. Master bedroom. It's a good size walk-in closet, lots of storage space. That's a beautiful bedroom area with a nice accent wall with the wood on the back wall, nice touch. And I think it'd be hard not to love waking up here every morning. Just a gorgeous view, and the windows go right down almost to the floor, so you can really maximize that light. It's the master ensuite, of course, toilet, nice flooring, his and hers sinks, and a walk-in shower with a rain head. So really a beautiful master ensuite. Leave the master bedroom, turn right into the office. So here you can see we have a desk set up. It's a good size room, and you could do different things with this if you didn't want the office. There are lots of options. And this also has a direct access out to that deck that we saw earlier. And it's covered, so there's a portion of the deck that's covered. So if you did want to put a barbecue off of this spot, that would make sense as well. Moving right along, We're into the more formal dining area. And it's a good space, lots of room for people to walk around the table. This area again, we've seen the dining area, and to my left we have a secondary living area. Large sectional couch in the corner, TV set, wood burning fireplace, very cozy atmosphere. So it's great as well because we have the larger cathedral ceiling living room, but it's nice to have a secondary living room as well, especially if you have people over, kids, you can have some space separation. Secondary living room, just a reminder that to my right, that's the main foyer entrance that we entered the house. I'm going to go upstairs, and to my left there's the door to the basement. It's a crawl space about 3.5–4 feet high. I can't quite stand up in it, but that's where you have your water system and the forced air furnace, ductwork, all that fun stuff. So up the stairs we go. And we have this wide plank flooring throughout. I think it looks really nice and it's very suiting. We have a bedroom. It's set up as a baby room currently. Through this door here, it's a large closet, but it's really almost the size of a room. It's a lot of extra storage space. To my right, we have a large walk-in closet. Continuing on, we have a linen closet. And another bathroom. So your standard sink, toilet, tub, and shower. Moving on, we have another bedroom, a very large bedroom. With another very large closet. Well, if you like that property and have questions or would like to schedule a showing, you can text or call me at 705-774-8944 or email at, what's my email? info@mattmosier.ca, and there's 2 T's in Matt. If you know anybody who is moving to the area or they're trying to find a really nice house and haven't seen it yet, feel free to share this video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future of new upcoming listings and the general area, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out.